Minimalist style has a way of making everything look more intentional. A simple bracelet, a slim cuff, or a delicate chain can quietly pull an outfit together without asking for too much attention. That is exactly why learning how to layer arm jewelry has become such a useful style skill. When done well, it feels effortless. When done poorly, it can look crowded, mismatched, or like you simply put everything on at once. The good news is that layering arm jewelry does not have to be complicated. You do not need a huge collection or bold statement pieces to make an impact. You just need a few well-chosen items, a little restraint, and an eye for balance. Whether you are browsing jewelry stores, searching for jewelry near me, or trying to find the nearest jewelry expert who can help you refine your everyday style, the right approach will help you build a look that feels polished and personal. If you are shopping for jewelry in Arcadia, or comparing jewelry stores in Arcadia, the best pieces are usually the ones you can wear often, pair easily, and enjoy for years. Minimalist arm jewelry is exactly that kind of investment. It works for workdays, weekends, dinners out, and everything in between. Why minimalist arm jewelry works so well. Minimalist jewelry has become a favorite because it is versatile. It does not fight with your clothes, it does not depend on trends, and it rarely feels too much. That makes it especially useful for arm jewelry, where even a small design choice can change the entire feel of a look. A single bracelet can look refined. 2 can feel intentional. 3 can look styled without being overdone. That is the sweet spot. The aim is not to fill your wrist. The aim is to create a clean, elegant composition that feels natural. For people searching for jewelry near me or visiting local jewelry stores, this is often what they want most. They are not looking for something loud. They are looking for something they can wear every day and still love a year from now. That is why minimalist layering remains so strong. It feels modern without trying too hard. Start with one anchor piece. Every good bracelet stack needs a starting point. Think of one piece as the anchor. This could be a thin cuff, a polished bangle, or a delicate chain bracelet. The anchor sets the tone for the whole stack. If you want the look to stay soft and understated, choose a clean piece with little or no detail. If you want a little more personality, choose something with a slight texture, a subtle curve, or a refined finish. The anchor should be versatile enough to work with multiple outfits and strong enough to hold the rest of the stack together. When people look for jewelry in Arcadia or ask friends for recommendations on jewelry stores in Arcadia, they often discover that the best pieces are not the flashiest ones. They are the ones that fit beautifully, feel comfortable, and remain easy to style. The same idea applies here. A well-chosen anchor piece gives the rest of your jewelry room to breathe. Keep the scale balanced. Minimalist layering is all about proportion. If every bracelet is the same thickness, the stack can feel flat. If every piece is oversized, it loses the lightness that makes minimalist style work in the first place. A better approach is to mix one stronger piece with 1 or 2 lighter ones. A simple formula looks like this: 1 anchor cuff or bangle, 1 delicate chain or slim bracelet, 1 optional accent piece with a subtle detail that is enough for most looks. In fact, less is usually better. Minimalism depends on clean lines and thoughtful spacing. If the jewelry starts to look crowded, the elegance disappears. This is one reason shoppers who search for the nearest jewelry boutique or browse jewelry stores in their area tend to appreciate curated guidance. The best jewelry store in Arcadia does more than sell pieces. They help you choose proportions that feel right on your wrist and fit into your day-to-day life. Choose a metal direction. You can mix metals, but it works best when there is a clear sense of purpose. In minimalist styling, one dominant metal usually creates a cleaner result than mixing everything at random. A few reliable combinations include gold with 1 silver accent, silver with 1 warm-toned detail, rose gold as a soft bridge between both. If you are unsure where to begin, start with the metal you wear most often. That gives your stack a natural base. Then add 1 secondary metal only if it improves the look. Too many finishes can make the stack feel busy instead of elegant. People shopping for jewelry in Arcadia often want pieces that can transition from casual to polished without effort. That is exactly where thoughtful metal choices help. A good jeweler can guide you toward pieces that complement one another, rather than compete for attention. If you have ever searched jewelry near me and wished the results felt more curated, this is the kind of detail that makes a real difference. Use texture carefully. Texture adds life to a bracelet stem, but too much texture can make the whole look feel chaotic. The trick is to vary the pieces just enough to create interest, while still keeping the overall effect calm and refined. Try pairing a smooth cuff with a delicate chain, a polished bangle with a matte bracelet, a slim bracelet with a softly hammered accent. This kind of contrast creates depth without losing the minimalist feel. It gives the eye something to notice, but not so much that it becomes distracting. If you are comparing jewelry stores or looking for jewelry repair around me, texture matters more than you might think. A well-maintained bracelet with a beautiful finish will always look better in a stack than something that is worn down, scratched, or bent out of shape. That is why many people turn to Arcadia jewelry repair services when they want their favorite pieces to keep looking sharp. Make the stack fit your wardrobe. The best arm jewelry is the kind you can wear with what you already own. Minimalist bracelets work especially well with neutral outfits. Monochrome looks crisp. Button-downs, soft knits, linen and cotton fabrics, rolled sleeves, or cropped blazer cuffs. Your jewelry should complement your clothes, not compete with them. If your outfit already has a lot going on, keep the jewelry simple. If your look is understated, your bracelet stack can do a little more of the work. This is one of the reasons people searching for jewelry stores in Arcadia or visiting a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop often end up making smarter long-term choices. They are not just buying accessories. They are building a small collection of pieces that work together and make everyday dressing easier. Think in terms of routine, not occasion. Minimalist arm jewelry should not feel reserved for special events. It should feel like part of your everyday routine. That means comfort matters just as much as beauty. The bracelet should sit correctly, move naturally, and never feel like a distraction. If you cannot wear it for a full day without thinking about it, it may not be the right piece. The most elegant jewelry disappears into your routine in the best possible way. It becomes something that feels like you. This is also why so many people search for nearest jewelry options or ask about jewelry repair around me. They want pieces that can stay in circulation for years, not jewelry that only works once or twice. If a bracelet needs repair, resizing, polishing, or a little restoration, a reliable Arcadia jewelry repair shop can help bring it back into rotation instead of letting it sit unused. Refresh the look without starting over. One of the best things about a minimalist stack is that you do not need to overhaul it every season. Small changes are enough. You can make the look feel new by swapping a chain bracelet for a cuff gold for silver, a polished finish for a textured one bracelet for a slightly slimmer version. This makes minimalist layering practical as well as beautiful. A small collection can feel surprisingly flexible when each piece is chosen well. That is why many shoppers who look for jewelry near me or browse jewelry stores end up prioritizing quality over quantity. Better pieces make everyday styling much easier. If you have favorite pieces that need cleaning, polishing, or repair, jewelry repair around me is more than a search term. It is part of keeping your collection wearable. The right Arcadia jewelry repair services can help preserve the details that make each bracelet worth keeping. Common mistakes to avoid. Even simple styling can go off track if the balance is not right. A few common mistakes include wearing too many bracelets at once, mixing too many textures and finishes, choosing pieces that are too bulky, forgetting to leave negative space, stacking items that clash with your sleeves. If your wrist looks busy, remove one piece. That is usually the fastest fix. Minimalist style is strongest when it feels intentional and calm. Another mistake is assuming that more jewelry equals more style. Often, the opposite is true. A single polished cuff can say more than 5 pieces worn without thought. That is why people often rely on knowledgeable jewelry stores in Arcadia when they want help refining their style. A good jeweler can help you select pieces that work in harmony rather than competing for attention. Final thoughts. Layering arm jewelry for minimalist, everyday elegance is really about editing. Start with one strong base piece. Add a second only if it improves the composition, and keep the overall look clean and wearable. Choose metals and textures with intention, and make sure every piece can support your real life, not just a photo moment. Whether you are searching for jewelry in Arcadia, browsing jewelry stores, looking for the nearest jewelry destination, or trying to find dependable jewelry repair around me, the right guidance makes all the difference. A beautiful bracelet stack should feel effortless, balanced, and true to your style. If you need trusted help selecting new pieces, maintaining the ones you already love, or finding reliable Arcadia jewelry repair and an Arcadia jewelry repair shop that understands quality, Dorano Jewelry is an excellent place to turn. Our team offers thoughtful service, elegant jewelry, and the kind of expertise that helps you build a collection you will actually wear, enjoy, and come back to again and again.